Hey guys, good afternoon. Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I just wanted to do this quick market recap here, go over with you guys what we did today. First off, we closed off our second Nextera trade this morning, NEE. We closed that out for a 36% gain. That stock's still continuing to climb, breaking 302 today. Big gains on those two trades. We got that right when we had that crossover, right when we had that momentum shift higher, breaking above that 290, and we made two great trades on Nextera. We made a trade today on ExxonMobil while we were live. That's still continuing to climb. We're already up 11% on that trade here. That stock continued to take off. Reporting preliminary results. Google, guys, we have a paycheck trade on Google. We're almost near max gains on that. Expires tomorrow. That's going to be a heck of a setup. Green candle tomorrow. We should see that 1020 cross tomorrow, which is looking great. And if we add our MACD to that, you're going to see that is looking stellar there. I love that setup there on Google. Guys, GameStop, how about this? They announced a deal with Microsoft. If you take a look today, shares were halted. Let it change to a today 1 minute chart here. So here we go. So as you can see here, the stock was literally at $9.21 today, $9.20. Microsoft and GameStop came out that they formed a partnership together, and that stock's just continuing to surge higher at $13.51 right now, up 44% for the day. If we take a look out here on a year chart, go out a little bit further, you could see I really think we're going to see that 1750 resistance area, possibly even 20 by next week. With that breaking news that just came out on GameStop, I think we're going to see a massive breakout, continue to run higher here on GameStop. So we ended up doing a trade on that. We got an out of the money vertical spread when it was only at $11. We got the 12-13 vertical spread for November 20th Expo. We paid 36 cents for that to be worth a max of $1. Divide that by 0.36. That's a max gain there of 278%. And that's going to be a heck of a trade. It's already at max gains. It could drop $1.08 and we'll still have that max gain. So a heck of a breakout. So really nice setup on GameStop. I think that's going to continue that run higher. Our Google trade looks great. Take a look at Facebook. Facebook was a beast today, up over 2%, up $5.64 for the day. I think we're going to continue to see that run here. Histogram's looking good now on Facebook. We got the MACD cross, 1020 cross. We're trading above that 1020 simple moving average. I love the looks of that. Let's see, what else did we do? Intel, guys. Intel trade is taking off. We made this trade quite a while ago when we're at that base support there. We're finally getting that break higher here, and I think we're easily going to see that $57 to $60 target profit area from now until the end of the year there. I think that's a nice setup. We might be adding to that soon. Let's see what else we got here. Amazon was flat today, still holding above that 10, 20, 50 simple moving average, still continues breakout momentum. Cisco, we made a trade on Cisco today after that big breakout there, breaking above the 1020 SMA for the first time in months. So you guys could see that, literally for, let's see, since August? Since August 12th, it's been in breakdown momentum. Drop down, getting up to that 10-day simple moving average, consolidating, breaking down lower again. Climbing back up, the short seller's taking profit. It climbs back up to that 10, fails at that 10-day simple moving average, which is acting as resistance, and we drop lower there. And then we finally consolidated a bit, and we're finally trading above that 10-20 simple moving average for the first time in literally about 2 months. So nice setup there. I expect Cisco to continue to take off from now until the end of the year. I love that chart setup. So that's a nice setup there. I like Intel. I like Google, Amazon, Facebook's looking good. Tesla had a big day today. General Electric was up quite a bit. Take a look at Macy's here as well. Macy's is finally getting up above that 10 since it was in breakdown momentum. I think we could easily see $7 to $8 from now until November 20th Expo on Macy's if you wanted to jump in a quick trade on Macy's. Let's see, what else do we have going on? Pinterest up just slightly. Snapchat back up over $27. Tesla had a big upgrade today, so keep an eye on Tesla. That looks like that's going to continue to run higher. Financials are doing well. Look at Wells Fargo. first candles above the 10, 20, 50 SMA in quite some time there. Looking good. Got some resistance right around 26.50 to 27 bucks. Bank of America. Let's see what Bank of America is doing here. Bank of America is still continuing to climb. Remember, we got in a trade on that the other day. We ended up closing that out, but Bank of America is looking solid there. Nice setup on Bank of America. And then we got in our ExxonMobil trade. Like I said, I love ExxonMobil from now until election time. I think that's going to continue to run there. A couple of green candles on that. We'll take profits, lock them in, move on to the next trade. So we did a lesson today as well in the trade room in the live afternoon trade session. That went really well. That's going to be posted on the website in the education suite. And I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys know what tomorrow is, Day Trade Friday. Looking forward to it. And I hope everyone has a great night. Stay safe. God bless, guys. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, share it on social media, subscribe to our channel. And if you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come join us, and we'll see you in the trade room tomorrow. And make sure you click on class sign up to reserve your seat for next Wednesday's class. Hope everyone has a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.